Thank you. So, I didn't really know quite what to play because, like I said, I haven't released anything here ever in Estonia. So, I was asked to play a song called In My Mind. Would you guys rather hear something else?
No, In My Mind is fine.
In My Mind? I haven't played it in about 5 years, is the only.
You're just out of sight and I can never change that. The truth is, you're only with me in my mind.
Awesome. A bit louder. Rubbish. That's amazing. Cool. This is the first song on my debut album. It's a song called Know About Me.
Wanna know what I'm thinking? Why I can't sleep at night? Wanna know what I'm drinking? A double of anything is fine. It's alright. Wanna know what it feels like to be so far from home? Well, I've been on the wrong side, babe. Oh, so long, but it feels right. Wanna know, do you wanna know, do you wanna know about me? Wanna know, do you wanna know, do you wanna know about me? Until you can't fall no more. Do you feel like you've been falling for way too long? Keep falling until you can't fall no more. Do you feel like you've been falling for way too long? Then you will know about me, babe. Know about me. Then you will know.
You guys ready?
About ooh, then you will know.
No, this is a cover. The song by Rihanna, Would Stay. You know this one. Feel free to sing.
I throw my hands in the air, say, show me something. She said, if you dare, come a little closer. No stop in the hands of time. You know me all too well. All we have is love. We have love.
Can I take a photo of you guys? Is that
When there's trouble on your mind.
Yeah, my name is Ryan Keane. I have no record label here. I have no radio play. I did one support gig with Ed, and to fill this room and have you guys singing my songs is just, this is the reason I do music. So thank you all so much for coming down. Thank you very much. This is my last song. It's a song called See Me Now.